Welcome back to Venom Boys Garage. I am Danny. We have stepped away from the 78 Nova today, and we're going to tackle something else for a buddy of mine for his granddaughter when she gets her driver's license. Let's take a peek. All right, we got a 1998 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We're going all black. Black bumpers, black bottom, black truck. I tried talking into it like a black ice, but it's a 16-year-old's vehicle. So we're going to do single stage black, which will look all right. But anyhow, we're going to get the sanding on it. Probably in the next video after this one, we're going to paint it. But, all right, guys, let's get started on it. I'm going to start off with some 320. See how that goes. We're just going to basically scuff it up, really. Knock all this clear coat off. Try to get it where the single stage is thick, because you know that single stage is going to be thick. So, yeah, let's start with 320. And of course, y'all know it's gonna get loud because of the compressor, because I still ain't moved it outside yet. I'm sorry. Yeah, I really don't normally do stuff like this, but you know, I'm working on the 78. And this right here helps me buy rims and stuff like that for it. Yeah, because I don't want to spend out of pocket on a 78. Christmas time coming. I got a teenager and a preteen, so can't be blowing a whole lot of money on a car. I don't have these little sponsors and everything. No discounts. But anyhow, let's see what this 320 does. It's going to get loud in the video because you're right by the compressor. But I'm probably going to go in there and cut that out. Add a little music to it. Yeah, I think that 320s are going to work just fine. Yeah. All right. We'll start sanding. Step it up on the sandpaper a little bit. It's not really cutting the edges of the clear coat off. We'll bump it up a little bit, then come back with 320. see, I got the hood cut down some. Got like little edges right here. I need to cut back out. But I'm gonna do the whole Jeep like that. Yeah. And we're gonna do away with the 4x4 stickers. There's a spot right there. I'm gonna sand that out. See how deep it goes. If it don't go, it's not coming through the backside. So if it was coming through the backside, I said we had to cut it out and weld a spot in, but I think we might be able to just skim it. I'm not sure yet. Yeah, I think it's just surface rust, as you can see right there. It's metal under there, so. All right, let's get the sand. The whole thing is sanded down with 320. I went around the whole truck, and you can see in the little spot I fixed. But now I'm gonna go back over. I went over with 180. Sorry. Now I'm gonna go back over the whole truck with 320. We're gonna take her out, wash her, bring her back in, let her dry, and tomorrow morning we'll tape it up and paint it, which will be part 2 of this. Yeah, so let's jump on to 320 and yeah, just gonna do a 320 for like any little spots I missed or anything like that. So like right there, I got a little edge right there, but that's what we're gonna do 320 for. Yeah, let's jump on that. Alright guys, it is sanded. First sand 180, come back with 320. Yep, I got that spot knocked out right there. It's a whole lot better. Like I said, it was just surface rust. So yeah, slick as glass. Alright, well, we'll pull it out, wash it. I'll come in here and sweep this shop out. We'll put it back in, let it dry. And maybe tomorrow, if I ain't busy, we'll come in here and tape it up and we'll get her painted. That'll be video 2. I'm gonna do this in 2 parts because I just don't have enough time in the day to do it in one. So, all right, guys, it is sanded. I hit it 180, and I come back with a 320. You know, to get any little spots I might have missed or anything. What we'll do is I'll pull it out right in a little while and I'll wash it and bring it back in after I sweep this place out. I know y'all ain't studying me watching me wash it. But like, subscribe, and follow. Subscribe, guys. It'll help me out a lot. I've been doing some shorts and it's helping me a little bit, but these right here help me out a lot. This is gonna be a 2-part, so this one will probably post, and then tomorrow morning I'm gonna get up. We'll try to tape it, and I'm gonna paint it. We'll have another video on that one, just because I don't have enough time during the day. But yeah, guys, follow me on Facebook, Venom Boys Garage. Send me a friend request. Send me a message. I'll shoot the shit with you. Ain't a big deal. Yeah, guys, just like I said, just like and subscribe. And I will catch y'all in the next one. Later. And we all got